Dear students, welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss about process. What is process? Here, what is process? Process is nothing but a task or job. We are already studied in batch system. It is called job. Okay. Then what are its states? Then how the process has been created. If you are creating a program, whether it is in C, C++, Java, Python, or any programming language, as far as it is a program, it is known as passive entity. We have already discussed about that. It is passive entity. Program is nothing but a passive entity according to the operating system point of view. When the program code is being executed by the CPU, the code will become process. So the process is known as active entity. Okay, then let us go to the next session. What are the states in the process? A process can have 5 states. There are new, ready, running, waiting, and terminated. If the new state of the process, if the new state, in the new state, the process attributes are initialized in its PCB. What is known as PCB? PCB is nothing but a process control block. It contains so many attributes of a process. The process ID, priority, and execution time, and so on. Then ready state. A ready state of a process tells the CPU that it is ready for execution. Here, a queue is maintaining to hold all the process which is in the ready state. Okay, then next we are going to the running state. In the running state, the process is held by the CPU. The process is inside in the CPU and executed its coding. The CPU will execute its coding or during being executed in the CPU. Okay? Then next state was running state. The next state was waiting state. If the process needs I/O during the time of execution, then the process will take it out into waiting queue. In this, the process is in waiting state. If the process needs some input or output services, then the CPU will take it out, the particular process, into the waiting queue. Then the process in waiting queue, the state is called waiting state. Okay. Then next state was terminated. After executing all the statements of code, then the process will no longer to reside in the CPU. Okay, if all the coding of a particular process is executed, then the process will no longer to reside in the CPU. Then it will be take it out by the CPU. Then the process is in on the terminated state. So these are all the things we are already discussed. What is process? What is program? Then what are the status available in the process? So this is today's class summary. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot, all the participants.